Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today I'm going to do something just a little bit different. I've been watching Dutch over at Keeping It Dutch, and I've noticed that in most of his videos he's wearing the same cap. And it has a half American flag, and the other half of it's the Marine logo. Dutch used to be a Marine, and so because of that, I thought I would try to design something that was similar to what's on his hat, and just kind of see what I could come up with. And you're going to notice in this video that I made some mistakes in this one and had to go back and fix them several times, and I just left them in. I didn't cut them out trying to make them look like this was a perfect process, because it definitely wasn't. This took about twice as long as what I thought it should have, and I did a little bit of different finish, and that was part of the problem. And so let's just kind of see how it goes. Here we go. So guys, that was it. Again, I thought it came out awesome looking. I just wanted that burnt look for where the white was and the back of the field there, or where the stars are. I just thought it had an awesome look, and I wanted it to be clean down here where I put keeping it Dutch. I just want it to be a nice smooth look, so I put just a little light stain on it. And again, I think it came out pretty cool. But you saw there in the video, whenever I was doing the little burning process, I meant for a little scorched look in the red field, but it flat burnt the paint off in 2 or 3 places. So I had to go back over and apply a little bit more red paint. And then you saw, of course, the one time whenever I was painting the stripes in the beginning, and I don't know, I was listening to music at the time on my handy little headset that I'm always wearing when I'm out here in the shop. And I just painted 2 red stripes side by side. I don't know what I was thinking. So guys, that's about it for this one. If y'all hadn't done so yet, run over and check Keeping It Dutch out. He's got a lot of cool stuff going on. And if you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe to this channel. And just another shout out, I've got a second channel called Smokey Uncuffed. If you hadn't been there yet, just see what I've got going on there. 99% of it what's on that one is not woodwork. It's just about everything else I'm doing in life, and just kind of see what's going on with my family. So guys, if you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.